Okay, this morning Kent put in a case with our support desk asking how do I see the sales data information from my customers that are currently and maybe even last year have purchased the sanding belts and discs that we have on special. And as you know, we have a 20% discount special on the sanding belts and discs till the end of the year. There's 53 of those products. So what I did, great question, Kent, by the way. So what I did is in Prelude, I put those 53 products that are on special into a group, a product group. So I wanted to show you how you can access that sales data information on that product group. So if you go to BI, I'm going to click that. I'm sure most of you are familiar with item sales history here under the transactions setting. And over here under group summary section, there is this price tag thing looking icon with a question mark on it. If you hover over it, it says product group. That gives you sales data information based on the product group. So if we go there, the default view that's going to load on my screen, which I'm assuming is probably the same for everybody, is the 2019 incentive program. And these three, coolants, Forvet, and CNC, Vert CNC, are product groups. Well, let's go over here and look at the other views. There's one that I created specifically for the sanding belts and discs, but I also wanted to just review this view as well. This gives you last year's versus this year's and sales growth and that type of information on all the product groups that we have in the system. We have product groups that pertain to machinery sales, and then we have product groups that pertain to specific types of FGM supplies, and that information is here as well. So from this view you can look at all that. You can also filter it down to just the sanding belt group. So if I type in sand, here's the sanding belt and disc special group, those 53 products that we're discounting. Okay, or like I said, you could come and you can choose just this view, the sanding belts and disc special view. Now, since I have permission to see the entire company, that the sales dollars that's under the year to date is a total for the company. So is this last year's total, and so forth. Now I can drill down into this because what I'm assuming you want to see is what your customers are actually buying. So if I click the plus sign, it pops up another menu. In this menu, if I go down, there's one called Account. Now my cursor for some reason doesn't turn into a hand indicating that it's a link, but it is. And if I put my cursor on Account and click, it will open up this drill down summary details screen. And this gives me the sales per customer on just those 53 products that are in that special group that we're given the 20% off. So Riverdale, Red River Glass and Glass Fabricators. And if you want to drill down, you can drill down even further. Again, you can hit the plus and you can choose product number. Click that, it'll open up another drill down summary and tell you what product numbers make up that total and how much each product group is being sold for, or how much in sales rather. The first part is the actual product number, the D5H120 PSA. That's the actual product number. Then there's a divider line here, and the second part is a description of that product. So this is the 5-inch 120 grit PSA S181, and they do the 60 grit and the 400 grit and the 1 1/8 by 21 60 grit. So these are the products that they buy, and you could target and maybe even sell them another grit. I don't know. But, and then you can also, any number is also a drill down. So this column is for sales year to date. So for the 5-inch 120 grit, they have purchased so far to date $7,434.04. So if I click on that, it will display all the sales orders that make up that 7,000. You can also click this and it'll show you the actual invoice if you need that information. Now if you want to go back, don't hit up here because that will close your whole web. But if you click the red X on this drill down menu, you go back to your original drill down and then click exit there. Now you're back at the beginning again. But like I said, all you have to do is click the plus, click the account to open up that drill down and see how much each of your customers are buying of those 53 products that are currently on special. Okay, I think that's all I have. If you have any questions on this or need any type of more information, please contact me. You can enter a case at supportdesk@salemdisc.com, or you can give me a call and I'll be glad to address any questions you may have. Thanks and have a great day.